Since ancient times, the mysteries of the deep ocean have fascinated humanity. Beneath the calm surface lies a world that remains largely unexplored, teeming with secrets yet to be unraveled. This enigma has long captured the imagination of storytellers and filmmakers who've often amplified its mystery through fiction. But here's the scientific puzzle that continues to baffle experts. Why have we only explored less than 5% of the ocean, even though we walked on the moon more than 50 years ago? The ocean covers over 70% of Earth's surface, and yet it remains one of the least understood regions on our planet. Could there be colossal creatures lurking in the deep, waiting to be discovered? Or are there natural forces down there we have yet to comprehend? One of the most intriguing ocean mysteries emerged in 1997 when researchers from NOAA, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, were monitoring seismic activity near South America. Instead of detecting volcanic tremors, they picked up an unexplainable, ultra-powerful underwater sound. This sound was recorded at a depth of over 4.3 kilometers, around 1,750 kilometers west of Chile. What made it extraordinary is that underwater microphones placed over 5,000 kilometers apart all detected the same sound. Scientists dubbed it the Bloop. It became one of the loudest underwater sounds ever recorded. Its low-frequency rumble was unlike anything researchers had heard before. Too loud and too far-reaching to be caused by known marine animals or man-made sources. The Bloop was captured using a sophisticated underwater hydrophone network originally developed by the U.S. Navy during the Cold War, designed to detect Soviet submarines. What stunned researchers was that every hydrophone across the Pacific picked up the sound. If it had come from a ship or a whale, it wouldn't have traveled such immense distances. That ruled out most known explanations. Theories began to circulate wildly. Some believed it could be the cry of a megalodon, a prehistoric predator thought to be extinct. Others pointed to aliens or even unknown sea monsters. Perhaps the most compelling speculation came from fans of H.P. Lovecraft, who noticed that the Bloop's origin roughly coincides with the location of Urlaya, the fictional sunken city where the cosmic entity Cthulhu lies sleeping. Coincidence? Maybe. But the idea caught on like wildfire in pop culture. More than a decade later, in 2008, scientists finally found a likely explanation. While tracking a massive iceberg known as a 53A near South Georgia Island, NOAA researchers recorded a sound that matched the Bloop almost identically. It turned out that the noise was caused by ice quakes, loud, low-frequency sounds produced by icebergs cracking and breaking apart. These sounds are powerful enough to travel thousands of kilometers, just like the Bloop. When compared spectrally, the match between the Bloop and the ice quake was remarkably close. As a result, researchers concluded that the Bloop was not a sea monster, but more likely a natural phenomenon, the sound of ice breaking. But not everyone accepted this answer so easily. The scientific explanation, while sound, disappointed many. To those who had envisioned an enormous, mysterious sea creature, the truth felt underwhelming. Still, researchers like Dr. Christopher Fox from NOAA were clear. The Bloop doesn't match any known marine animal or human-made object. Its frequency, scale, and power are unprecedented. Even when factoring in large species like the blue whale, the biggest known animal on Earth, their vocalizations can't travel more than 1,000 kilometers, let alone 5,000. Some experts did suggest that ice calving or cryoseisms, ice-based seismic events, could be responsible, but others maintained that a biological origin was still possible, given the frequency patterns somewhat resembled marine mammal calls, only at a far greater scale. Speculative theories resurfaced, including underwater UFOs, unknown sea giants, and even undiscovered ecosystems. In the end, while science offers a reasonable explanation, the Bloop remains an open chapter for those drawn to the unknown. It's a reminder that Earth, especially its oceans, still holds secrets that challenge our understanding. And perhaps, just perhaps, it's better that way.